everybody, it's Sara the Scientist with her helper Elia, and we're doing science with our baby at home. And we're doing an experiment that's going to be really easy for anyone who has a baby who's between 2, 3, 4 months old. Comes from an awesome book. Uh-oh, it's backwards. It says experimenting with babies. And it's all these fun experiments that you can do with a baby. And so we're doing one right now that comes out of this book. It's on page 11 for those of you following along in the book. It's called Out on a Limb. I'll flip. Look at you. Yep, that's you. Now we're going to switch around and show what we're doing with baby Hannah, because she is the subject of our experiment. So it may look kind of crazy. What I've done is I have tied a ribbon onto her hand, and the ribbon is attached up here, I got a little bit extra, to something that will move. Hannah is just over 4 months old, and so this experiment is one that you can do with a 2, 3, and 4 month old.
Don't wrap up Hannah's.
I did wrap up her arm for just a little bit though, because when she was 2 months old, if we had tied her on and she had realized that moving part of her made the thing move, she would have moved all of her limbs, her hands, both of her arms, and both of her legs. At 3 months, they'll move more so just their arms when they realize that moving their arms causes something to happen. And now that she's 4 months old, it's likely that when she starts moving, which she's not really doing right now, she's just looking at stuff, but when she starts moving and realizes that moving this hand causes stuff to happen, she'll move and isolate just the one arm and move just that one arm. So they go from moving 1, 2, 3, 4 body parts when they're 2 months old, 1, 2 body parts when they're 3 months old, and now she's 4 months old and she's most likely to move 1 body part. What do you think, baby? Except for she feels like kicking everything. Let's see, what do you think? What do you think? Ellie, is this a fun experiment?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. Hannah's not really doing much with it, but we'll keep observing and maybe we'll post in our comments what we found out.
I'm the first to comment.
Okay, baby? Good science. Have fun with everyone who has those babies at home. Do some science.
Oh, my neck.